Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Benefits of YouTube channel. Before we get started, please click the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the amazing and useful topics that we'll be talking about in these videos and on this YouTube channel. But without further ado, today we're going to be discussing the benefits of stretching daily. Now that can be just stretching in general, stretching daily, but stretching is often overlooked simple activity that we can do that comes with a ton of benefits to our minds, bodies, souls. I mean, it's just so many things that we can benefit from stretching and making that a daily habit. So let's get into the benefits. So the first benefit of stretching daily, which most of you probably know, is it increases our flexibility, which is very important to our overall bodies and our overall health. Stretching helps with flexibility, which helps you to perform everyday activities with ease. But it can also help delay the reduced mobility that comes along with aging. So as we age, that our mobility it reduces. Our bones get older, our muscles, we have certain aches that comes as we age, which is just natural, right? But if we stretch, we can reduce those ailments that comes with aging on our body. Stretching helps the muscles become more agile, which in turn increases our flexibility, right? So number one, it increases flexibility. Number two, stretching helps increase blood flow to the muscles. Performing stretching on a regular basis may also help improve circulation throughout the body. As you stretch, the blood flows more easily to the muscles. Increased blood flow also allows for greater nutrients to be transported throughout the body and improves the overall circulation of blood throughout the entire body. So as you can see, just stretching will help increase blood flow through our whole body, but more importantly to the muscles as well. So the benefit number two, increases blood flow to the muscles. Number three, stretching is a great stress reliever. When we experience stress, more than likely our muscles will tense up. You often see people who kind of get their shoulders kind of elevate towards their ears when they get stressed and tense. Your whole body tenses up, right, when you're stressed, most time without us even knowing. This is because our muscles tend to tighten up in response to physical and or emotional stress. This is one of our body's natural way of defending itself, similar to how we would get goosebumps when we're cold, or how the adrenaline kicks in when we feel threatened or in danger. So where your stress focus on stretching, when you're stressed, focus on stretching areas such as your neck, your shoulders, your upper back. More of your upper body becomes more tense when you're stressed out. As a result of stretching, you can loosen up those muscles that in aid helps you to relieve some of that stress. So again, the number three benefit of stretching is it's a great stress reliever. Number four, stretching may reduce the risk of injury, right? When you have flexible muscles, you're less likely to become injured if you have or make a sudden movement. By increasing your range of motion in a particular joint through stretching, you can decrease the resistance on your body's muscles during various activities, which in turn decreases the chance of injuring yourselves. This is why we see athletes or anyone who partakes in vigorous physical activities place a high priority on stretching before, during, and after their physical activities. This is because that stretching of the body helps alleviate certain stressors on the joints, the muscles, and as a result, it decreases the risk of injury. So number four, stretching may reduce the risk of injury. Number five, stretching can be used as a relaxation technique that helps reduce anxiety. One of the main components of stretching is breathing. When stretching, it's important to always focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths, inhale and exhale, to relieve your mind of the constant racing thoughts that feed anxiety. As we all know, one of the things that they teach for people to decrease anxiety or stress is just taking a minute to simply practice deep breathing. Breathing helps us relax, and as a result, it reduces anxiety. So whenever we're stretching and we're focusing on our breathing, we are also naturally using it as a relaxation technique. So number 5, stretching helps uh, and can be used as a relaxation technique to reduce anxiety. And then lastly, number 6, and again, this isn't all of the benefits of stretching, but just a few that I wanted to hit on. So lastly, number 6, stretching has a positive impact on just your overall health. As we mentioned earlier, stretching helps the blood circulation or helps increase the blood circulation. It also decreases high blood pressure and increases those nutrients and those vitamins and minerals to be transported through our body and to supply it to our muscles, our joints, and things of that nature. When we eat, our bodies consume all of those vitamins and minerals and a wealth of healthy content. So, stretching helps our body transport all of these key vitamins and minerals throughout our body. Stretching also helps with those who suffer from insomnia, infertility, fatigue, because it naturally just jumpstarts our system, transports those nutrients and vitamins throughout our bodies, and it's just an overall benefit to our overall health. So as you guys can see, something as simple as stretching holds a ton of benefits, and it doesn't take a lot of time to actually do it. Stretching is a very convenient activity. You can stretch when you're at home, when you're at work, in the morning when you wake up, at night before you go to bed, before exercising. You can use it as a relaxation technique, and just so many other convenient ways when you want to stretch. So to recap the benefits we discussed today when it comes to stretching: number 1, stretching increases overall flexibility. Number 2, stretching increases the blood flow in our muscles and throughout our entire bodies. Number 3, stretching is a great stress reliever. Number 4, stretching reduces the risk of injuries. Number 5, stretching helps reduce anxiety. And lastly, number 6, stretching is just good for your overall health, whether that be body, your mind, your brain. It's just good for you. So once again, thanks for checking out the benefits of YouTube channel. Drop a comment, drop some comments on some things that you would like to hear about, the benefits thereof. If you haven't already, click subscribe to be kept up to date on all these great benefits and topics that we'll be discussing throughout this YouTube channel. Thank you.